Hey, good morning, fellas. Good morning, fellow traders. EMAC, Bob Means, good morning. Hey, anybody pass evals? I know I didn't. I've been, man, I'm kind of on the fence about purchasing more evals, trying to pass more evals. I currently don't have any evals in my backup. I always like to have some. So I might purchase some evals. Of course, I'm sure you guys heard the sale has been extended. Hey, least estimator, good morning. NP, good morning. How we doing, fellas? Let's have a good day. You know what I want? You know what I want today? I just want a slow grind higher day. Can we have one of those? We did have some decent movement on the 8:30 news. I wasn't here, but it looks like it spiked higher and did the old spike higher and then made the move lower. So pretty typical for some of those news events. Now we are just kind of hanging out at the highs of the overnight session, right around the 500s. We failed to get past that a couple times. So my thing is, I'm hoping we kind of pull back at the open maybe, and then we grind higher the rest of the day. That would be sweet. Could we, I'd love to have just a slow grind higher day. And I just need a, one thing I'm reflecting, looking back, I definitely need to just not think about my next payout. Like I'm going to try really hard to not focus on how many days traded I have and when the payout days are. It's fine. If it goes another month and a half to get to a payout on these accounts, I have to remind myself that that is okay. I don't have to get a payout in April. That is fine. So anyway, remember to take it easy, take it small, or just take it slow. Stop focusing on Jamaica. That's definitely not what I'm... You still have no payout, Mooncatcher? You'll get there. You'll get there. I know the feeling, man. Hey, the likes are helping. You got a notification that you were live. Let's go. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Hard Hat Trading. Hit that like button, fellas. It helps. Even at one payout per quarter. Exactly, Blake. That's my thing. If I make 30,000 per quarter, that's 120,000 a year. I will be more than happy with that. And the thing that, I don't talk about this a lot, but I'm not actually relying on my trading as my income. I have a job, and the job I have is what that's my reliable income that I can rely on, and I still have that. So that's what allows me to, I don't need to rush payouts. I don't need to. I don't know why. It's kind of weird because since I've gotten the payout in March, it just feels like I'm rushing things and I'm focusing a little bit too much on trying to get to another payout threshold really fast and do it as fast as possible. And that's what I have to remind myself. That is not how I got to my first payout. The first payout I did, we started in January trading those accounts doing the scalping method. So, and it was like middle of January that we started, and we didn't get to the payout until March. So that's almost 2 months. So no need to rush things. So just something I need to remind myself. I'm awesome at signing up for evals. Follow me for more advice. Oh man, least estimator. I don't know that I'm the one to ask for advice. Honestly, I would say probably least estimator. The probably best thing to do is look for some, like, just kind of scalp your way a little bit in the beginning. Take your profits really quickly until you can build a little bit bigger buffer. Then go for a little bigger trades. Maybe that would be my only kind of advice, I guess. But yeah, we are 9:20. So this is what we overnight session. We basically went sideways. Now, yesterday was a pretty interesting close. I was not here for it, but I mean, look at this move yesterday. So yesterday we had a huge move lower right on the opening. Then we basically just kind of went sideways. Kind of looked like we were going to test the lows again here. This was at 320. And then from 320, we bounced off of this 400 area. And I mean ripped 120 points up into the close, which is pretty bullish. So I'm still thinking we go higher, or at least today, that's kind of my consensus is I'm going to look for longs. But I need to be patient. I am going to wait till the open happens. And then once I see the open and kind of what kind of volatility we're going to see, I'm going to depend. That's what I'm going to use to gauge if I'm going to trade micros or minis. But right now, I'm going to stay on micros for now. Yesterday, trading micros, I really liked it. And hopefully we can keep it going. The ghetto's trying to kill me. What the heck? Run for your life. That's all I can tell you. Hey, good morning, Matty Matt. What's up? 512, 517 have 100 plus contracts. Oh, wow. Interesting. Oh. I do have, today's going to be a little bit of a short stream. I do have a hard stop at 11:45 today. It's tax season, and I have a meeting that I have to take regarding taxes for the business. I have to, so 11:45 is going to be a hard stop for me today. And then it's the weekend. Long weekend ahead. Tomorrow, obviously, future market is not open. Market is not open tomorrow, so we'll have to wait a whole 3 days before we can trade again. Feels bad. Hey, Win, how we doing? Good morning. Namak, good morning. Paras, good morning. How can we add a countdown timer on chart? I'm not sure. Perhaps if you're talking about my clock, that is just a clock that I add through Streamlabs. It's a clock that you can get off of the it's a HD alarm clock off the Windows App Store. Yeah, I don't like 3 days trading either. Oh, are you talking about the countdown timer for the bar timer? Like right here? Hang on, I actually need to... One of these indicators shouldn't have it. There you go. Now you can see right here. This is a countdown timer, but you can there's an indicator called countdown timer, I think. Bar timer or something like that. It's in the indicate. It's as an indicator. Wait, is it okay? Really, hard hat trading? The stock market is open tomorrow. For how long? Hey, Alan Sutton. Good morning. Good morning, man. Eric, good morning. Joel, good morning. Hey, good morning, Jen. Yeah, I didn't think I did not think the futures market is even open tomorrow. Yeah, that's what I thought. Hey, good morning, John. Good morning, JP. Hang on, I need to type something in chat. So only maybe half of a day? Huh. I thought it wasn't open at all. Hey, Neo, good morning. Usual counterparty, good morning. Yeah, there is a website. CME. So Good Friday. Closed, closed, closed. Yeah, it's closed. The futures markets are closed except for, I thought maybe that yeah, it's closed tomorrow. Hey, let's go. You passed your 150K account. Hey, Pac, good job. That's awesome. Yeah, the bond market might be open. Hey, Diary Futures Trader. Good morning. Mm. All right, we're about a minute away from the open. Hey, you're good, hard hat trading. You're good. Usually, actually, the futures, usually they have like a half day or something, but not tomorrow. Yeah, I don't think, Peter, that, no, we were just looking at that. The futures are not open either. Nothing is open. Yeah, everybody thinks it's a half day, but I don't think it is. Everything's closed tomorrow. No half day even. And we're open for business. Ripping lower right off the bat here. Down we go. Is it going to be a duplicate of yesterday? Can't be, right? Can't be. Looks like this thing might just keep ripping. She ripping. Maybe this is like a repeat session from yesterday. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we bounce off of the 460s here. If we don't, we go in. This is definitely volatile again. Same as yesterday. Crazy. Feeling heavy. It's like a duplicate of yesterday. Okay, here we go. We're right at the overnight lows. All right, are we going to bounce? You'd think this is where we bounce if we do. Just not sure. I'm not going to jump in here, this volatility. Pretty similar to yesterday. Very similar. See if we get a good bounce here or not. Okay, everybody, hold on. My mic is giving me fits. I was muted, and then I unmuted to cough, and then I muted again to talk. This is not. Yeah, that was some sequence. It was. If that's how my trading's going to go, it's not going to go well. Oh, dear. Uh-oh, it said I was disconnected. Trying to reconnect. I think we're still good. Mm-hmm. Whoa, look at this rip higher. Holy mama. Wow, that's a V-shaped reversal if I've ever seen one. Hey, maybe we get another V-shaped reversal here. Wouldn't that be funny? Ha ha ha. And we just keep going. Look at this volatility. Okay, there is also news, I thought. Yeah, news at 10 o'clock. So news at 10 o'clock. Hey, Perfect Play, good morning. My Trading Journal, good morning. Jin, I'm not... Neo, good morning. I guess I did get what I was asking for this morning. I said I'd like for this to move lower and then make its move higher. Unfortunately, I didn't trade it, but that is exactly what's happening here. The bulls are in full control now. What is this move? This is very volatile. Crazy. We'll definitely stick with micros if this the volatility that we're going to experience. Hey, Black Coffee Trader, good morning. Good morning. Welcome to the nutty world. Hey, Lorello, how we doing? Sarith, thank you. Appreciate that. Just this volatility, it's kind of crazy. Like it's like jumping all over the place here. But here we had a low bounce right off of the 460s and all the way up to the 510s. 50 point rip. 50 point ripperoo. We will definitely stick to micros this morning. Kind of expect this to pull back now. We're struggling a little bit to get above the 510s, so I guess we will wait. But man, this is looking very, very bullish. Let's see if we get a pullback here. It's so dangerous here trying to look for pullbacks when it's so volatile. Okay, here we go. Oh man, I had a hard time pulling the trigger there. And right back down. Oh man. Okay, there is also news at 10 o'clock, so I just need to wait. So, what a move by the Bulls. What a move. Huge rip lower, and then we just absolutely ripping it. Oh man. Ugh. Hey, Camber Trades. Good morning. Thank you. Thank you. Same to you. Same to you. Man, I should I just can't buy up here. Just can't do it. I can't, but I should. Is this going to be one of those days where the market will literally just keep going up and it won't even give you an option to get in? Because I'm not a big fan of those days either. All right, now we're getting a pullback. Just, we got to be patient here. Like, I want this, I kind of need this to just slow down. I need the volatility to die down a little bit. And then I'd like to see it kind of go sideways a little bit before I jump in. I don't, because this thing can pull back way more than what I'm ready for. But man, this is looking so bullish. SNT, how long does it take for the money to hit my account after payout approval? So the payouts, SNT, basically the payouts are, they will go out for sure by the 1st. So April 1st, they will distribute the payments, and then obviously it could go 2 to 3 business days from the 1st before it hits your bank account. That's what Apex states. Now, usually it is before that, but that is what you should expect. And then if it gets there earlier, then you're just, that's a benefit. But I don't have my payout yet either, so hey, it's okay. Just don't go spamming. Just don't go spamming their help and their support because you don't have your payout yet. You'll get your payout, trust me. No concern. By the way, guys, tomorrow I plan to upload the top 10 payouts video for the month of March. And I am telling you guys, you are going to freak out. This is the biggest top 10 video I've done ever in the history of Apex. It's that crazy. Top Step paid out like 9-10 hours. Why Apex took so long? I mean, that's just their rules. That's just how they pay out. That's always how it's been. Look at this. Gosh. This is frustrating now because I'm not participating. Okay, there is news at 10 o'clock. Hey, pass another 50K. Nice. Nicely done. Oh, this thing. I really need. Man, oh man. All right, let's get some consolidation up here. I hope that's what happens. I need a pullback. I need a pullback like down to the tens maybe. And then I just need this volatility to just to die down a little bit, to chill out. Let this price kind of settle. Okay, getting a pullback. That's good. Also, on the 60-minute chart, kind of interesting. I don't really pay that much attention to this, but We rejected it here. Now, are we going to get above this? Believe this is the 100 EMA. Yeah. So the other thing that I see here on the 60-minute was this channel. So we need to get above that. Come on down. Okay, pull them back to the 514, 515 here. I'm not going to jump in here. I want this to kind of consolidate a little bit before I jump in. Oh, yes. News in 30 seconds. Thank you, Black Coffee. Thank you. News that could be... It should move the market. This news should move the market. But yeah, John, I was thinking about that. Okay, news is out. Let's see what this market wants to do. Looks like it's just going to keep going higher. Oh, dude. Oh, it's so tempting to jump in here, but I'm not going to do it. Hey, good morning, Sin City Futures. Good morning. Orlando, good morning. This thing really... Dang it. I feel like I'm just missing out, like total miss out. Having some serious FOMO. Unbelievable. Here we go, about to make new highs. Pulling back there. Interesting. Did not make new highs. Hey, Lep Freener, who knows a good low price prop firm? I mean, Apex. If you want the best prop firm, I'm sure there's some other ones. You can't take out of my head that day trading is gambling. I mean, what can I say? There's no guaranteed results, but I guess it depends on your definition of gambling or how you view or what you would look at that as. Is it a gamble if you invest and you'd never know the exact results? Then there's a lot of things in life that would be a gamble. Life is a gamble. That's what I mean. If that's what you look at it, then there's a lot of things that are a gamble. There's uncertain outcomes every day. To me, it's probably more about the risk management and knowing your risk and what you're willing to risk. That is more. I would define that more as, yeah, but traders, you think we're going 200 points down? Woof. Farting in public is a gamble. That's right. You could get knocked out. Oh, man. But no, in reality, the way I look at it is anytime, like there's a big difference in gambling versus trading. There's a big difference, but both can be done using the market, if that makes sense. That's how I look at it. Is it possible to gamble with trading? Yes, for sure. Does that mean that everybody that trades is a gambler? No. Okay, pulling back here, I don't know, we're kind of struggling to get above this 535. So this is what, now I just want to see this consolidate, but I don't really want to see this like pull back too much. Pulling back too much here is going to make me nervous. And I don't want to be nervous. I want to be just calm. Takes work to move away from the just gambling. Yeah, up, down, left, right. I think that makes sense. Hey, yeah, that's true. I haven't seen design in here all day. This is your chance, guys. You guys can now catch up with him. Here, let's check something. So design right now has 194 points. And then Wanderer is in number 2 spot with 160. And then Black Coffee with 140. There you go. You guys got a chance to catch up. Watch. Design's going to poke his head in here in about 3 seconds. He'll be like, what? Who said my name? Whoa, look at this pullback. Sorry, I got my nose deep in a spreadsheet here. But wow. What a pullback. Okay. Hmm. And I did not want to see this big of a pullback because now I'm just not. I now I don't trust the longs. Man, this. Man, I'm telling you what, this payout, top 10 payout video for March tomorrow is insane. Insane. Unbelievable. Some people are just in. I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. Man, that's crazy. This one trader, what he made in literally a month is mind numbing. He made so much money that he was asked to go live in 1 month. Okay, is this going to bounce now? This is what I hate because I can't really trust it. And here we go. Now it's almost, do I need to start thinking about going short? Hey, oh no, design is here. Oh, you guys are now toast. Design. They had hope for a little bit. They thought they were able to catch up to you on points, but now you just crushed their dreams. Hey, Clarity, good morning. How you doing? Good to see you. Kid Poker, good to see you. Rain 1980. Where can you see the payout history, Rain 1980? Well, I'll drop a video tomorrow. That will go over everything that I know. I did reach out to Apex because there's some things that are pretty crazy. So I did reach out to Apex to clarify some things before I release the video, but it's looking like I'm going to release the video tomorrow. Can I explain the 30% rule? I can try, David. Basically, okay, I'm going to look for this entry. I think I'm going to do it. We're going to take a stab here. Come on, bulls. You're not dead yet, are you? I mean, I like these long wicks. We just got to make sure we don't make new lows here. I really need to move my stop loss here. As long as we're gonna hang into this trade. If we hit our stop loss, we do. All right, now we need you to rip it. Rip it. Come on. Got to get above the 45s here. You want to be kind of quick to take some profit here if I don't like it. Got to get it going. We'll take it. What a shock trying to pass an eval trading 3 contracts up 2,000. No way, Black Coffee. You didn't realize you were trading your PA and you're up 700. Oh, close that thing down in a hurry. And that's awesome. That's the best feeling ever. It's like, wait a minute. I accidentally made money. Hang on. I got to take this call. Okay, we're back. Someone might buy my old set of golf clubs. Plus 5K on your 150K PA. Let's go, Orlando. Let's go, Black Coffee. I was muted. What? Hey, I was on the phone, okay? That doesn't count. But can we talk a little bit about how thankful I am that I took profit right here? Oof. Sometimes you get lucky. Hey, Jude, good morning. Hope everyone's doing well. You need a favor? You passed 15. Nice. Trade this 15. Help direct me to a video that will help me. So, Jude, I'm not sure, are you talking about a trade copier that you need? Trade these 15 accounts, please. Can you help or direct me to videos that will help? First of all, okay, so if you have 15 PA accounts and you're new to trading, then I'm going to tell you, please don't copy trade all accounts. Take one account at a time. Take it slow. Maybe just trade some micros. And yeah, I can't really tell you how to trade, okay? Every trader, every person trades in their own unique, different way. And I don't really give trading advice or anything like that. I'm not qualified for that. But if I had to recommend a video for someone new, I would probably recommend like Al Brooks price action videos, like to watch some of those. I think that has some pretty basic concepts that you can, use. But I mean, that's pretty amazing that you passed 15 accounts already. That's pretty amazing. All right, market. What is the plan? Are you going to go higher, or this is just, I don't like this. I do not like this at all. Just going to be one of those choppy, range-bound, weird days, it feels like. It's really hoping we'd see a nice uptrending day, but the market said not so fast. Or this is what I hate. Like these big bars, big candles, and then just up, down, up, down. Hate that. Yeah, don't. Oh my gosh. You're trying to learn ICT, but it's complicated. I have never heard a truer statement in my life. It's complicated. Fact. It is complicated. That's the problem. Here's one thing advice I will give any new trader. If you're trying to learn how to trade and you're finding, and you're looking for videos that supposedly are teaching you how to trade, I'm going to give you a couple pointers, okay? I want to give you, I should make a video on this. I really, really should. But here are some very fundamental pointers that you need to understand. If you're a new trader and you're looking for videos for someone to teach you how to trade, here is who you need to avoid. If they're teaching you how to trade on a chart that has already happened, like it's not live, that is a red flag. Second, that's a major red flag. if you're whoever you're learning from should be able to do it in a live market. If they can't do it in a live market, then whatever they say, take with a grain of salt. Second, it should be easy to understand. It shouldn't be complicated. The more complicated that they try to make it, that is just part of they try to suck you into, oh, this is very complicated and difficult, and you need to, usually they'll try to sell you a course, etc., etc. But people that can't do it on a live environment don't pay attention to it. Because you know what's easy to do? This is what's easy. It's easy to go back here and be like, so here we're going sideways, blah, 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 blah. So here you want to go short. That's easy. Anyone can do that, okay? That's so dumb. But watch someone trade live and live watch them how they teach. And if they teach the same way they trade, and which means they're going to lose. The other thing is, if your teacher is always showing their wins only, red flag. Huge red flag. No one only has wins. And to be honest, risk management is more important than strategy. I know some people disagree with that, but I'm a firm believer in that. Dave teaches. Let's not talk about. Let's not design. He's probably lurking. He's doing this right now. Actually, no, here, hang on. This is a live view of Dave teaches. No, this. How did I learn? Honestly, the best way to learn trading is screen time. Okay? I don't care how many videos you watch and how many ICT. You can sit through 2,000 hours of ICT videos and it will not help you once you're in a live, actually in a live trade and getting screen time. There is no substitute for getting screen time. There just isn't. That's why it takes long as a trader to really, I don't know, it's not easy. It ain't easy, man. He claims he's not losing. Yeah, exactly. But I'm still learning trading, just to be clear. I have a lot to learn yet. I still make a lot of mistakes. I do dumb things all the time, and just the difference is everybody sees it. For me, the difference is everyone sees it when I do dumb things. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is. What is going on? Why is my screen frozen? I can't move my... Help! Look, are you seeing this? My screen is frozen. Help! Someone help. Literally, it's frozen. This is not good. Yeah, anytime that you think that you have everything figured out in trading, the market will humble you. Trust me. He asks for 3.6K for his Discord channel. Good gracious almighty. That's what I find just so humorous to me, is all these trading gurus that A, don't trade live, B, they sell these $2,000 trading courses or Discord channels, and then they're constantly posting on their YouTube about their Lamborghinis and how rich they are, and they pretend like it's coming from trading. Trust me, It's not coming from trading. It's coming from you as the consumer. You have been suckered. Disconnect account, reconnect. I was hoping it would just kind of do it on its own. Hang on. Let me go to indicators. Maybe if I do this. Cancel. Hello? Hello? Can I do F5? Nope. Ah, that worked. Ah, hallelujah. We're back. Trip Candy, you're only here to collect points. That's fair. That's funny. Anyone that's rich and smart from trading or not will not be bragging about a Lambo. I agree. Couldn't agree more. That's always a red flag when I see people bragging about, hey, look at the Lambo I bought. Look at how rich I am. It's like, okay. Anyway. Where is the current overnight high-low indicator from? Noah Parks, this is from the Trade Devils. I think it's just Trade Devils Indicators is what the website's called. Hey, Marty, you're reaching 52,670 in 10 days. Should I keep trading or close trading until ask payout request on Monday? I would not keep. If you're asking what I would do, I would stop trading. I would stop. I would stop immediately. Or ask yourself this. If you keep trading and you end up going below that threshold and you keep going lower, how will you feel? Like, if that's not going to bother you, then, hey, keep trading. But if that's going to upset you, then stop. Don't keep going. Hoovier does not lose any trades because he's trading your money. Exactly, David. That is actually very true. The reason they have no losing trades is because they're not trading. They're just collecting your money. That's all they're doing. That is literally what's happening, which is pretty funny. Actually, not really funny, but hey. How does your chart trader ninjas different from mine, Sam? Well, this thing was frozen, so that might be part of it. But as my chart was frozen here, right here actually would have been a good entry. But obviously, you know, we didn't see that. And now we're just ripping higher, right above the opening range, 15-minute opening range high, ripping above. Ay, 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 ay. Feels like one of those days where we just kind of miss out. One of those days where we miss out, and then I got a feeling if we try to jump in and chase it, then it's going to pull back. So just got to be patient. Hey, that's your first PA, Marty? Then please, I beg you. Oh, I beg you. I cannot say this long. I cannot say this loud enough, Marty. Please do not trade that PA. Take out the full $2,000. Pay yourself. Because it will do it. I just please don't keep trading it and then blow the account. I'm begging you, don't do that. He claimed it's for He had a video where he messed up and accidentally showed a demo account. Well, that's the thing. Once these guys see that they can make millions of dollars per year just selling a course, then it's simple math that, hey, let's just trade demo accounts, you know, and let's make sure we only share. I'm going to guess this guy's probably also in Forex, because these Forex firms and brokers are totally in on this. They're a part of this scam. How many accounts did I blow, David? Out of 27 accounts I passed, 8 got payout from one and the other one blew up, David. Hey, that's better than my it's embarrassing to me to share how many PA accounts I went through before I got a PA, but it was over 100. It's crazy. But I was kind of doing it wrong. I definitely was doing it wrong. I got it in my thick head, in my stubborn self, that I'm going to trade 20 accounts at a time. And I paid the price for that. I paid the price for that. Now, eventually, I learned. It took a while, but we learned. And once I switched to trading only one account at a time, and then that really helped. Hey, David, no problem. It's been a pain. It's been a journey. There have been some very painful moments, but if I look back, this sounds kind of, maybe this is a sign that I'm a psychopath, but as painful as the journey was, I would do it again. I would do it again because I learned a lot. I learned a lot. If I don't trade multiple accounts at all, I did yesterday. No, was it? Yeah, yesterday for the first time in probably 3 months. Yesterday for the first time in 3 months, I traded 3 PA accounts at the same time that I copy traded, but it was accounts that I've already gotten a payout from, so they had very little drawdown. It didn't end well. You can see the recap video from yesterday if you want more information on that. If I would throw 30K away again, okay, let me rephrase. I would do some things differently. Yeah, that's a great question, Noah Parks. No, I wouldn't. I would try to prevent that from happening. But at the same time, it's like, it's just not realistic to think, at least for me, and I always reminisce, and I've shared this story before, so I don't want to just keep repeating it, but it's so crazy because last year, this time, at this point last year, I was like, I had just started where I'm like, dude, I'm going to get 20 accounts and I'm going to make X amount of dollars per account. And in my mind, it was like, that's not that hard to do. I can do that. And because I was doing that on eval accounts, like I was consistently making $100 to $200 to $300 per account on eval accounts. So I was like, just thinking, hey, I can do that on 20 funded accounts. I'm going to be able to withdraw, $40,000 in April. I'm going to be able to withdraw 40,000. I had it all mapped out. And I thought, dude, this is going to be, I wouldn't say that I thought it was going to be easy, but I thought this is definitely doable. And oh man, was I in for a surprise. The trading gods smacked me down. They were like, you, sir, are way too... They smacked me down hard. But you know what? We got back up and we got smacked down again. And then we got back up again and they got smacked down again. And eventually, here we are. And I don't want to say we've made it, but we have finally gotten a payout. So... oh, it's a journey, man. It is definitely a journey. I'm really thinking of entering right here. Take a quick scalp there. Could have tried to get a little bit more out of that one. But this could be the start of the slow grind higher. And if it is, oh man, I was way too quick to close that one. Switch to micros, that changed everything for you, Tom Brady. Yeah, I mean, I started with micros, but yeah, I challenged the market gods and they smacked me. But the thing is, with trading so many accounts at one time, like it's crazy how fast. Same with evals. If you copy trade 10 evals at a time or something like that, it is crazy how quickly you can go through some evals. So man, oof. Gotta be careful. Be responsible. Congratulations on the payout. Do you know what has been your investment on the 30K payout? Yeah, Daniels, and I've shared this multiple times. I should just do a video so people know, but basically, if I only look at Apex, I have, well, I purchased some evals, so now it's probably different. But 4 weeks ago, when I did the math, I was like at $29,600 of expenses, and I took out 30,000. So literally break even. But I'm actually doing my taxes right now, so I'm collecting all my expenses from all these different prop firms, and man, that was kind of rough. I'll be honest. I spent more on some of these other prop firms that I was testing out than I kind of was in my mind. There was kind of a number in my mind. Yikes. It was a little bit more than that. So we're definitely still in the red if we calculate all of the prop firms we've ever used. And, you know, now I did get I got a $2,400 payout from Earn to Trade last summer. I got a $600 payout from Take Profit. So if I figure all that in, it's not quite as bad, but yeah, things are definitely, you know, it's a journey. And we still learning. Like my dad would say, my dad would always be like, he would always tell me, well, son, he would try to tell me something, right? He'd be like, you shouldn't do this or this or this. And of course, you know, 18-year-old me was like, I'm doing it anyway. And then he'd be like, well, son, I guess you'll just have to learn the hard way. And over the years, I've found sometimes learning the hard way is the best way. It tends to stick a little bit better when you learn the hard way. Hey, you're getting a payout on your 4th PA? That's awesome, Dan Futures. That's really impressive, to be honest. That is very impressive. Yeah, Mooncatcher. Like the affiliate money, that definitely helps as well. Obviously, like the affiliate money, obviously I get paid from YouTube. I mean, obviously, yes, that is a huge blessing. And I mean, I'm very grateful and very, I don't know, I feel unworthy that, when people use my code, I just feel I'm very grateful and very thankful, because I know there's tons of people out there that you can use their code. And when people choose to use my code, I'm very thankful. And obviously that obviously helps with the cost, with all the expenses. But at the same time, I do, like, this is kind of weird, but and some of the doubters or the whatever, there's some people out there that are really anti-affiliates. But if I still have a Top Step code, okay, I'm going to share a funny story, K-Trader. This is actually kind of funny. Okay, so do you guys remember when I used to do the top 10 payout video for Top Step? I think I did like I don't know, did I do 2 or 3 months where I did a top 10 payout video for Top Step? It was like 2 or 3 months or 2 or 3 videos where I did that. And in those videos, I put in an affiliate link for Top Step. I didn't even mention it ever. Like I didn't even mention it in the video. I've never mentioned it at all. And I still get some affiliate money from Top Step. I think it's so funny. It's like, I don't know. I'm always shocked. It's not a lot. I think this month it was like $120. But I actually, the reason you mentioned it, it's funny because I just got an email from PayPal that Top Step paid, like, it was like $123 that came from Top Step this month. And I'm like, why? So I don't know. I'm not even sure how that happens, but hey, I'll take it. I was really close to the top 10 in March payouts, Noah Parks. Oh man, you will see in the video that I'm about to drop tomorrow. I'm going to upload the video for the top 10 payouts in March, and you will see. No, I'm not really that close to the. Here's how crazy of a March it is. I actually feel bad for Trades by Matt. Trades by Matt didn't even make it into the top 10 with his 80K payout in March. That's how crazy of a March it was for Apex. Yeah, I thought about that 2K trader. Maybe people are renewing. But see, the affiliate stuff with Top Step is different than with Apex. And I'll share a little bit how the affiliate stuff works because some of you might not be aware. Hey, Vin S, thanks for the sub. I appreciate it. Also, MNW Trading subbed. Eric Pierre, you subbed 2 hours ago. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. But with the like how the affiliate links work is it's different for each firm. You know, like prop firms, it's different for each one. For example, with Top Step, you don't really get a code. You just get a link. So, for example, if I share a link, an affiliate link in my description, like that is an affiliate link that directly. So basically, if you are completely new, you've never heard of or visited the website Apex, right? And you click on my affiliate link. And then let's just say you click on it, but you don't sign up. You just look at it, whatever. You're curious, right? But it does save that. So if at any point in the next 6 months you actually sign up with Apex, that affiliation will be linked to my affiliation, which is why, if you guys remember, it is why it is such a big deal, and it was such BS and total, like it really, that was total BS what Patrick Whelan did back in January when he first became affiliated with Apex. He cookie stuffed his affiliate, he cookie stuffed the link for his only prop firm's website, which is not allowed. Technically, he should have been banned from being an affiliate with Apex, if you ask me. Like, technically, he should have been. Because that is completely not allowed and very deceptive practices. So basically what was happening, anytime someone clicked on the link that just said only prop firms that Patrick shared in his video, they unknowingly were actually also clicking on an affiliate link for Apex, and they were getting cookie stuffed. And there's no way to undo that, which is just total BS. And then to make things even worse is, you know, his cop-out plea and, oh, my website developer did that. I had no idea that was being done. Like, that is such bullcrap. Like, there is no way, no shot. There is no shot that his website developer had the link, accidentally had the link to his affiliation code and link for Apex. There is only one person that can share that, and that is Patrick. So there is no shot that he didn't know about it. But anyway, that got my, like, that kind of deceptive practices. Yeah, exactly, Diary of a Futures Trader. That's exactly why you're seeing that stuff pop up about cookie stuffing. Yeah, exactly. Black coffee. That really got my attention, and especially then how he apologized and basically blamed his website developer. Anyone with a brain knew that that was completely BS. But hey, what else can we expect from Patrick, the guy that, you know, has a history of deceptive practices, not paying people when he says he will? What can you do? Anyway, what was I saying? I kind of went on a rant there for a minute. It's amazing that Patrick never got a payout so far, David. Yeah, it sounds like he'll get a payout eventually. He will. I mean, the odds are he will. I think he's really close now, to be honest, but I don't mind if he gets a payout. I mean, I'm happy for him if he gets a payout. I just like those deceptive practices and stuff is some, like, he's lucky I'm not the owner of Apex. He would have been booted to last week. Yeah, so okay, so I didn't fully explain. So the affiliation links. This is how it works, and now this is how it works with Apex. So, okay, there's a couple things you need to understand. So if you sign up using someone, let's say you click on someone's affiliation link, and then you sign up with Apex. So basically you are affiliated with that person where you signed up with, okay? But there is another step to the process. So when you go to purchase an eval, you obviously need to put in a code. So here is where it's kind of a catch. So if you put in the code, and let's say you're signed up under, let's just, for example, let's say you signed up under me and you use my affiliation link to sign up. And then when you go to purchase an evaluation account, let's just, for example, say you use the code Alpine when you do your checkout. So if you use the code Alpine, that is who will get the affiliation. So that is who will get the, 15% commission. So the code that you use trumps who you sign up under. Okay? The only time that it matters who you sign up under or whose affiliation link you click on is when you use the default code from Apex. So you can always use the save 80, like the save 80 code will also get you a discount. The same discount that you get with anyone else's code. If you use that code, if you use the default code that Apex provides, then by default, the affiliation goes to whoever you signed up under or whoever's affiliation link you clicked on. So there's kind of a couple different steps. Yeah, usual counterparty. I would love to know how many evals that Patrick Whelan has gone through in the past 3 months. I bet we would be absolutely shocked. But hey, I guess, I'm sure he doesn't care. Oh, yeah, I think so too. Yep. Anyway. But okay, so like for Top Step, the only like they don't really have codes. Okay, so Top Step doesn't have codes. So Top Step, it's all about the affiliation link. So whoever's affiliation link you click on when you sign up, that is who, every time you make a purchase, it automatically goes to them, because there is no code for the most part. I think sometimes they have a code, but usually not. Hey, good morning, traders chick. Oh man, what is this market? All right, I need to make a phone call, guys. Hang on. Okay, we are back. Had a phone call I needed to take. Oh, let's go. That was a phone call with good news. Oh, I love good news. I love it. Good news for the business. Finally got a decent project. Oof. Hey, Mr. Push Up. Hey, Ram, you use NBT for your last 5 evals? You, my friend, are a hero. Thank you. I appreciate it. This is a very, I mean, I guess right now the play is to buy at the 500s. I missed it right here, but that would have been a nice buy. Buy the 500s. This is a note for me, by the way, not for you guys, but buy at 500s and don't buy breakouts. Don't do it. Now it's probably going to break out. Yeah, Steve, we were talking about it. Patrick might finally get a payout. Good for him. Yeah, mid trades. Yep. Also, just a reminder, I have about 35 minutes left of streaming. I have a hard stop at 11, probably 11:40. I have to leave. I got a meeting I got to go to. So, honestly, haven't taken many trades today, which I am totally okay with. One note I made to myself this morning was slow down. And pulling back again. It's a pretty crazy range here. If we get down close to the 504s here, might jump in. Look at this market. Crazy. All right, we jumping in here, bottom of the range. If this thing rips through now, we got problems. Oh dear. Might have been a little too aggressive there. I hate this kind of price action. What is this? We might have to bail. We might have to bail here. Ah. Trying to hold on here. All right, I'm getting out. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I don't like it. But what is this? Like, what is this? We went from the 515s all the way down to the 495s, 490s. 25-point candle. Ugh. Welcome to NQ. Yeah, those two candles were evil. I agree. Like this here, oh, this is what traps the longs. Like go after a breakout and then it does this. At least we didn't make the mistake of buying a breakout. Because if we buy a breakout here, we're in way worse shape. If we wouldn't have made new lows here, like if this wouldn't have made new lows, I would have held. This made me nervous where I'm like, I'm okay just getting out. Even if we rip higher here, I'm not that upset. You bought some stuff on Ninja and got used to it, so it'll be hard for me to switch. Yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. I've invested quite a bit of money in some of these indicators. So I will probably be using Ninja Trader for as long as I can, I guess, foresee. Oh, really? Black coffee? Yeah, those candles are very frustrating. I mean, it just keeps going. Rip 2-minute candle, 25 points. Just out of nowhere. Like, whatever, dude. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. This thing kind of feels like we're going to rip lower, in my opinion. As much as we can't get above the 515s. Rejected it once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6 times now. But we shall see. Can we trade tomorrow? Nope. No trading tomorrow. Everything is closed except for the bond market, I think might be open. But pretty sure there won't be much going on. But isn't there, someone was saying that there's some big news tomorrow, which is kind of weird. Let's see here. The core PCE price index at 830. So how does that work? So we have a news event, but there's no one going to be able to trade anything? Like, how does that work? Like, hey, big news event, but market isn't open. I assume it's just going to make for a crazy open when the market opens Sunday night, I guess. It's just weird. I'm not sure how that's going to work. What do I think about cryptos? I think it's high risk, but you know, I don't know. Don't fall for the meme coins and don't fall for the pump and dumps. Don't fall for it. Any celebrity or any YouTuber or any like anyone that tells you to buy XYZ crypto, just immediately run. Immediately. Hey, good morning, Esther. How we doing? Hope your day is going well. Yeah, Trader's Chick. I think that's probably what will happen. Depending what the news will be Friday morning, we'll just see a big gap on Sunday. You're up $100 on Doge. I do have. I mean, I have some crypto, but it's doing okay. It's like whatever. All right. Is there a minimum amount that we should be making, RAM? I mean, not really. I think just yes. Yeah, not really. If I'm passing evals using the trade copiers, yeah, usually if I do evals, I use the trade copier. Usually I trade 3 to 4 evals at a time is when I'm using the trade copier. I guess we should have held, obviously. This is just going to be a range-bound choppy day. I'm actually now not sad that I'm taking off early. So, hey, is what it is. Is it a must to take a payout every month? You do need to accumulate 10 traded days and 10 days of trading, and you need to get to your profit target. And it needs to be, you know, your highest profit target needs to be less than 30% of your total profit. So you should, you know, do that and you will be good. You will be golden. What's my real name? My real name is Lester. Look at this. Just up, down, just ugh. 30% apply for the second payout as well? Yes, it does. Each payout period is its own separate thing that you need to. If I pay monthly on my eval, I don't have evals for more than a month. If you're talking about my funded accounts, I do currently, the 11 PA accounts that I activated probably a week ago, I did pay the monthly on those. I did, for the first time in a long time. I just added L to your name. That's right. That's right, Esther. Exactly. That's funny. Is it really Lester? Yes, it is. That is how I will show up on the payout page. Look, guys, here, I can show you guys this. Now I'm going to scroll down so you guys don't get the good stuff. Can't be showing the good stuff to you guys. But right here, this is the payouts for the month of March. Here I am. Let's go. We got our first set here of 14 and then 16 here. We finally made it on the payout page. Let's go. It was a painful process, but we got there. Painful but fun. I'll screenshot and put it in a frame. Maybe I will. I might actually, I was thinking about framing the actual payouts like in my bank account and framing those two, putting them in a frame. Because that's what really matters. Anyone can put numbers on a spreadsheet, right? You can't, but when it hits the bank account, that's when it gets real. I did actually say that, Esther. I did say that. I do remember. If I ever get to a payout, I'm going to frame it. I might just do that. I like that. And the market, I think I might be done for the day. This is just ugly. And we basically, $6 in profit is better than a red day, right? It's better than a red day. Can I find yours? Oh, I'm sure I could. I closed down the spreadsheet already, though. Hey, thank you, Blur. How long did it take you to reach that? Oh, dear Ram. Okay, I've traded with Apex for over a year, and just last month I got that $30,000 payout. So it took a while. It took a hot minute. Can I explain the 30% rule, David? It's pretty simple. Basically, your largest day of profit cannot be more than 30% of your overall profit when you go to request your payout, if that makes sense. So as an example, let's say you have a 50K account and you decide you're going to make, so you have a buffer and you're going to do 50, you request a payout, you have $5,500 or you have $5,000 of profit. So you take 5,000 times 30%, that's $1,500. So that means your largest profitable day can't be more than $1,500. Now that amount changes depending on how much profit is in your account when you request your payout. For example, if you request your payout at exactly $2,600 in profit, which is the minimum amount, You take 2,600 times 30%. That is $780. If that makes sense. The next Forex prop firm went down. Yeah, I saw Trader JX. Yeah, just don't use prop firms, guys. I mean, this is not me trying to promote, but with everything going on in the Forex community, like, I know there's still some reputable Forex prop firms, but I just think you're asking for trouble. You're asking for issues using Forex. And I don't understand, like, what can you not do with futures that you can do with Forex that would make it more, like, why I don't understand why risk using Forex with these issues they're having. Doesn't make sense. JMB never sleeps, personal opinion. Yeah, I mean, I think that, to me, I mean, I would disagree, but the thing is, 10 days have traded, and then you just need to be consistent. I mean, it's not that hard. And here's always what I say. Apex has paid out 50 times more money than Top Step has. Okay? So you're going to have a difficult time convincing me that getting a payout is easier with Top Step. I mean, I'm sorry, but that's just how, that, to me, is the proof is in the pudding. What I don't like, JMB, what I don't like about that whole Top Step payout thing, you can only take out 50% of your profits. They call it a 90-10 split, but in reality, it's actually a 50-50 split. You can't take out more than 50% of your profits. So, and then they have profitability tied to your traded days. I don't know. That's just my 2 cents. Pudding is good. I agreed. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I heard a little bit about that diary futures trader. I'm not even sure what that means. Are you serious, Trader JX? That's terrible. Top Step may be offering 10 express funded accounts soon. I mean, they're still not going to even get close to Apex. Exactly, paint bar trading. That's why I say don't use Forex. There's literally no regulation that regulates these brokers to give you a honest spread. It's just, to me, I just don't understand why you would even try it. You're interested in maintaining your account? JMB never sleeps? That sounds good in theory, okay? That sounds great in theory, but go and check with people that have, like, there's multiple people that have over $100,000 in profit on their express funded accounts, and then go and check and see how much they actually withdrew, because the same thing happens. They can only withdraw 50%, and they might do that one time, and then they keep trading, and then they start having losses. And you can't, it's a very few of those people that actually have made big profits withdraw more than 50% of it. And that's the part I just don't like. And that's how they circumvent the consistency rule. Like, that's why they don't have a consistency rule, because they have the data and they know if they prevent people from taking out more than 50%, the odds are most of those people will then lose and blow the accounts anyway. Over the span of time, it will happen. So it's, again, like, if the payout rules really were that great, then they should have some people that are making huge payouts, like Apex, and I haven't seen it. Is there anywhere we can check if Apex is making money? I mean, I wish there was, but not, I think not that would be, I don't think, not verified, like, hey, here's how much evals were sold, here's how many PA accounts were activated. One thing I can share is I did reach out and I was able to get this information from Apex. They have 140,000 active customers. So do that math. Like, that's crazy. 140,000 active customers. Which means, so I was just doing the math a little bit. So if Apex pays out, you know, let's just, for example, say they have a month, they pay out 12 million. Okay. So 140,000 or 12 million divided by 140,000 active customers, that's $85 per customer. Now I'm just going to ask you, in the last 30 days, have you guys on average spent more or less than $85 with Apex? Like, that is a pretty, I mean, I don't think that's really a great way to say, hey, they're making money or not, but it's a great way to kind of get a little bit more of a perspective on how much money that Apex is probably making. My theory, Apex is making a ton of money. You have spent much less than $85 in 30 days, K-Trader. I mean, I bet I'm going to say you're the minority. $85 is the activation fee for one 50K PA on a monthly amount. Okay? That is literally buying 3 evals. Like, on average, I mean, I can assure you, on average, the active customers are buying more than 3 evals in 30 days time. I can guarantee it. So, like, if you start taking that in perspective and then match that up with the payouts that they're doing every month, all of a sudden things start to make a little bit more sense. Not to say, you know, they also have people trading live for them that they get a cut from. There's other, you know, it's crazy. If now, Joe Richardson, I would say that would be probably a little bit more. I don't think people have spent 5,000 per month. No way. Oh, are you saying lifetime, Joe Richardson, maybe? But I mean, I've done the math, and I'm, of course, I don't want to say, obviously, and I don't, this is just 100% my opinion, but I don't have any fear that Apex is not making money. They, in my opinion, they are if we knew how much money they make, we would probably freak out. And maybe we'd stop buying as many evals. Anyway, I actually have to go. I gotta go. Yeah, Trader JX. Everyone's a perfect trader in here. Yeah, you average 6 evals per PA. I mean, that's pretty good, Talix. That's pretty good. But yeah, I think, anyway. All right, guys, I do have to go. I got to end stream here. It's a little bit earlier than normal, but I have a meeting I have to be at, and the rest of the afternoon I have booked as well. I think I agreed to, I think around 1:32 o'clock, Methodical Man wants me to join his stream, so I'm going to try to be back by that time and hopefully chat it up with Methodical Man this afternoon. All right, everybody. Appreciate you stopping by. It's going to be a long weekend. I hope everyone has a great Easter. Happy Easter to everyone. And yeah, if you celebrate Easter, hope you have a great Easter. And don't forget what Easter is really about. And yeah, take care. Hope you spend time with family. A long weekend, which is always kind of sad because it means we don't get to trade for 3 full days. But we'll be back Monday. We'll be back Monday, man. All right, everybody, take care and God bless.